In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request edit access in Google Sheets. This process can be incredibly useful when you need to take an active role in a document but currently have view-only permissions. Whether you're collaborating on a project, preparing data analysis, or simply need to make some changes, requesting edit access is a straightforward process that can help you get the job done. So, let's dive right in. First, open the Google Sheet you need to work with. This can be done by navigating to your Google Drive, locating the file, and simply clicking on it. Once the document is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its content and layout, as being aware of the document's structure will help you in drafting a strong and relevant request message later on. You'll probably notice that if you only have viewing rights, there will be a small note near the top of the screen indicating View Only. This is Google Sheets' way of letting you know that you can look but not touch, at least not without going through a few more steps first. Next, click on the View Only button. It's usually found on the right-hand side of the document, near where your user icon might be. Clicking this will bring up a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll see the option to Request Edit Access. Go ahead and click on this option. Don't worry, you're not finalizing anything at this stage. You are simply moving to the next step in this process. After you've clicked Request Edit Access, a dialog box will prompt you to type in a message explaining why you need editing capabilities. This is an important step and is your opportunity to convey a compelling reason for needing access. Be sure to be clear and polite. Perhaps you are part of a team that is collaborating on a project, or maybe you're auditing data and noticed some fields that need updating. Whatever the case, clearly state your purpose for greater understanding and a better chance of approval. Once you've composed your message, take a moment to review it for clarity and tone. When you're satisfied, click on Send. This will deliver your request directly to the document's owner or administrator. They'll receive an email notifying them of your request and your accompanying message. With that, your part is done. Now it's just a waiting game for a response. Remember, how quickly you'll receive access can vary depending on the document owner's availability or permissions protocols within an organization. In some cases, they may reply soon, and in others, it might take a bit longer. Be patient and check back periodically to see if your permissions have been updated. And there you have it. You've successfully requested edit access in Google Sheets. Navigating these steps is an essential skill for effective collaboration, especially in an increasingly digital and remote work environment. Keep practicing, and soon requesting access will be second nature. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Google Sheets projects.